Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, apply. She applied for the job. She applied for the job. Second, accept. I accept your invitation. I accept your invitation. 3. Animal. The cow is a pet animal. The cow is a pet animal. Fourth, go. We go to school by bus. We go to school by bus. Fifth, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Sixth, childhood. We never forget our childhood. We never forget our childhood. Seventh, forest. Animal live in the forest. Animal live in the forest. Eighth, silver. Silver is a very useful metal. Silver is a very useful metal. 9. Play. They play football well. They play football well. 10. Go. She does not go there every day. She does not go there every day. Thanks for watching.